We got a mod Jagyenda Jakpol. Let us learn how to say my sister-in-law or sister-in-law in Dinka language. Let us begin from number 1. 1. Diop. Diop means sister-in-law. Diamdia. Diamdia. Diamdia means my sister-in-law. Diapcha. Diapcha. Diapcha means my sisters-in-law. This is plural. Diamde. Diamde. Diamde mean is sister-in-law. Diamdun. Diamdun. Diamdun mean your sister-in-law. Diamden. Diamden. Diamden mean their sister-in-law. Diapkin. Diapkin. Diapkin, their sisters-in-law. Diamda. Diamda. Diamda mean our sister-in-law. Diapqua. Diapqua. Diapqua mean our sisters-in-law. Diapke. Diapke is sisters-in-law. Diapkun. 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 Diapkun mean your sisters-in-law. Diamkor. Diamkor. Diamkor mean young sister-in-law. Diamdit. 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 Diamdit mean big sister-in-law. Diamdu. Diamdu. Diamdu mean your sister-in-law. Yenakan the end. Nya. Nya. Nya mean what? Translated into English. Nyankai. Nyankai mean what? Write it for me. I want to know. Nyali kawek kuyania. Ayan Usat William Maje. Dor nyali kawek kuyania. Bye bye.